Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I'll Take Your Eye Guy, here with a WhatsApp tutorial for 2018, the US version. For the people in the US that are curious to why other countries use this application, because it's simple, just like that. It's a simple messenger app that was bought by Facebook, and that's the only difference. So no further ado, I'm going to show you how to use this application and how to download it and install it. If you're on Android, you go to the Google Play Store. All right, what you want to do is you want to search WhatsApp, tap it in just like that, how it's spelled. I might have misspelled it in my phone. So, yeah, so you type in WhatsApp and it'll pop up for you. Check it out. If you want to make sure you want to install it, before you install, you want to read about it, you can go ahead. It's as simple as this: simple, personal, and secure. All right, that's how you need to know: simple, personal, and secure. And really, you could just look at the screenshots they took of it. It tell you a little bit about the application, what you can do in it, and things like that. So, yeah, you could go take a look at it yourselves. Want to read more? Hit the read more section to give you what's new in the updates, to let you know what's going on in the updates. Okay, and it's a free messaging app available for Android, other smartphones. You can use your phone internet connection or your Wi-Fi. All right, and you can go ahead and scroll down and read all other stuff. You get you free calls, group chats. You can use WhatsApp on the web. Say no to user names and pins. Always logged in. Quickly connect with their contacts. Offline messages. Now, this is the thing a lot of people gave me dislikes for. Okay, so what it means by offline messages is even if you miss your notifications or turn off your phone, WhatsApp will save your recent messages until the next time you use the application or you connect to a data or internet connection. All right. And that's about it. You can go ahead, read the, reviews. It has over a billion downloads, and in Google Play Store it's 63 million, reviews. So take your pick. Let's go home. Let's open up the application. All right. My bad. Okay. So when you first open it up, this is the home screen. Okay. The tabs. You have your camera. All right. Then you have your chats, your stats, and your calls with whoever you call. All right. So when you want to text somebody, you hit this green button at the bottom. All right. You hit the green circle. Now you can form new groups right here. You can find your contacts who's using WhatsApp, and you just start talking to them. All right. Another thing you can do, you can search. You can add or invite. Let's see. You can invite. You can go to contacts. You can refresh and hit help. So, all right. For status, this is where you create the status, kind of similar to like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. It's kind of what they're doing. And you hit the edit button, and you can start typing, texting, whatever. Say hi. You want to say hi to everybody. And anybody that's on your anybody that's in your circle or in your WhatsApp account, they will get that status. Okay. And then, like I said, you can go to calls, and you can call from your contacts list. All right. All right. And then up here, the three dots, you want to check that out. You can go to your settings. All right. And at the top, it's your profile. Right here, it's your account, your privacy, your security, your two-step authentication, verification, change number, and delete account. You go to your chats tab. It shows you the breakdown, how to customize the way you want to chat. Okay. Notifications. Gives you settings on how to use your notifications, how you want your notifications to come in and go out. Data and storage uses. Now, you really won't have to worry about this for a simple fact. WhatsApp does not use that much storage. I sent 326 messages. I received 213 messages. Media bytes sent 9.2 megabytes. Media bytes received 1.3. So you're really not using that much at all. Okay, so it's giving you the total rundown. So total 11 megabytes. All right. So you're not using nothing in WhatsApp. Okay, and then for the multimedia auto downloads, you could customize it any way you want to, whether or not you want it on data, whether or not you want it all on Wi-Fi or roaming. And then call settings. Okay. Also, you want to go to, well, we did the invite.